this week's hot jobs. If you have experience in accounting or are looking to start a career in the accounting field, then we have several amazing opportunities for you today. The first position is an Accounts Payable Specialist for a well-established manufacturing organization located in the Warwick area. Key duties for this role include processing accounts payable, assisting with the preparation of financial documents, as well as assisting the manager with other accounting functions as required. The ideal candidate will have at least 1 year of experience and advanced Microsoft Excel knowledge. This is a full-time, permanent, in-office position that offers great benefits and competitive wages. Secondly, we are looking for a payroll specialist for an expanding international manufacturing company based in Warwick as well. In this role, you will be processing in-house payroll for both US and Canadian employees, acting as the primary contact for employees with payroll-related inquiries and generating reports as needed. The ideal candidate will have at least 2 years of experience with processing payroll in the US and Canada. This is also a full-time position that has remote or hybrid capability and offers a very competitive salary, benefits package, and bonus potential as well. Looking for an accounting assistant position? Well, we have a fantastic opportunity then for a Providence-based medical organization. The ideal candidate will be diligent, organized, and possess AP and AR knowledge, strong computer skills, including Microsoft Office and QuickBooks. Lastly, we are in need of a temporary bookkeeper for a company in Providence as well. This role will be part-time, 32 hours a week, may have potential to go permanent though, but is looking for QuickBooks knowledge and at least 1 year of previous experience. If you are interested in any of these roles, please apply today at citypersonnel.net.